Today, for the y'all day in the life video, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit what we got going on today. We already had breakfast. Right now, we're about to pop on one of our meal preps right here. Y'all know something real simple that I prepped on the grill. We got some chicken, we got some eggs, and we got some rice. So I'm gonna get this like a little pre-workout because I'm kind of hungry. It's kind of midday right now. I'll show y'all after I eat this. We're gonna head to the gym, do a little shoulder tricep workout in the microwave right fast. Turn that bit up. God damn, boy, that bit is hot. This joint's crazy. But hey, we get into it every day. I know what we got going on, man. We locked in.
Only being barely go.
Yo, what's good, guys? We just made it back to the crib. So I'm about to shower. I got about 2 hours to make it over there, shower, get ready for that casting that we're going to, little model casting. I just picked up a couple things because you know we need that Alana, y'all. That has to be on deck. Come on now. All right, y'all, we about to have our third meal of the day. Just finished our shower. We got our clothes drying back there. But yeah, but I have some rice and chicken. Easy peasy. In the microwave, just like that. That's it. But I am not good with directions. What's the word? $1 million establishment. Oh, how y'all doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? How you doing?
That's good.
Good to see you.
Okay, can we scoot you down right here on number 4? Yes. Oh, we already had a video.
I know we had a video, so y'all see what we at with it, man. We got the model show. About to turn it up. You know, we got the boy Troy. What's your name?
Victoria.
Victoria. We got Victoria. We got Troy.
Lauren.
Lauren.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, Lauren. Nice to meet you.
Been pre-selected today. You'll be meeting with the owner of Luxor magazine. He's looking for models to sign to a 12-month contract for work that he's doing for television, promotional, his magazine, film, you name it. So again, he's interviewing y'all one by one because he kind of changes the flow of things. But if he likes you, he'll offer you a contract with his company exclusively, so it doesn't matter who you work for. Next day